3 AI video models, same prompts, no edits, and one clear winner you probably wouldn't expect. This is Cineyx AI Studio. Today we're testing HappyHorse 1.1, Seedance 1.5 Pro, and Seedance 2.0 Mini. On 2 brutal realism tests, a hyper-real human and a physics-heavy motion scene. Let's see which model actually understands reality. Here is the prompt for test 1. We are stress testing realistic skin, micro movements, and impact physics. Grab the full text in the description below. Let's see who wins. First test, hyper-real human. This is where most models fail. Skin, micro movements, lighting, and impact physics. HappyHorse 1.1 immediately stands out. Look at the skin. Pores, imperfections, subtle sweat buildup. The punch feels grounded. The bag reacts with believable weight and resistance. Now Seedance 1.5 Pro. At first glance, not bad. But watch the impact. The heavy bag completely breaks physics. It flies off unnaturally, like it has no mass. This instantly kills realism. Now, Seedance 2.0 Mini. Much better. Great skin detail, strong lighting, convincing anatomy. But look closer. The sweat behavior is exaggerated. It drips too heavily, almost like a simulation glitch. Still impressive, but slightly less natural than HappyHorse. Now let's stress physics, second life, continuous motion, and physical logic. Here is the prompt for the rolling metal ball. We are stress testing continuous motion, mirror reflections, and gravity. Grab the full prompt below, and let's watch. HappyHorse 1.1 delivers again. Micro scratches are visible. Reflections behave correctly. The motion feels smooth, continuous, and physically grounded. Even complex transitions stay coherent. Seedance 1.5. Pro struggles here. The ball moves through unclear geometry. Surfaces shift unpredictably. At one point, it even appears to hover instead of falling. This breaks immersion completely. Seedance 2.0 Mini performs well. Great detail, strong reflections, mostly believable motion. But there are small inconsistencies, brief, unnatural transitions that remind you it's AI generated. Still solid, but not perfect. And now, the final ranking. Third place, Seedance 1.5 Pro. Strong visuals, but weak physics. Second place, Seedance 2.0 Mini. Very good, but not fully consistent. First place, HappyHorse 1.1. Best balance of realism, physics, and stability. It doesn't just look real, it behaves real. If you want to see more real AI tests like this, subscribe to Cineyx AI Studio. Next, even harder challenges.